everyone. Today I'm going to do a bridal makeup look for all those brides who want to do their makeup themselves for their big day. We begin with the Prep Plus Prime. Just spray this on your face. Next up is the Vitamin Enriched Face Base. We're just going to moisturize our face with this moisturizer. And especially for all the brides who are trying to do their makeup themselves, moisturize their skin, prepare their skin very well before we do the foundation. Next we take the Studio Fix Fluid Foundation by MAC and take a buffer brush and buff this into your face. Make sure that you go into the hairline. Depending on how deep the neck is, you could go all the way into the neck. Now to begin with, we're going to only powder the under eye and maybe the areas where I use the concealer, frown lines, the sides of the nose, the tip of the chin, the sides of the lips could be powdered as well. So I'm using this Benefit Foolproof powder. You could also use a brown eyeshadow. Now we begin with taking this shade called Cocoa, and you can take this fluffy brush from any brand and draw it into the socket line. And I take the eyeshadow upwards. Never take the eyeshadow downwards because it's going to make your eyes look very droopy. Now we take a color called Moon Dust, which is the highlight color, and we use it right under the brows. So make sure that you're going right under the brows with this and highlighting under the eyes. Now we can use a little bit of this gold color which is called 24 karat, and I'm going to use it with my ring finger. So I'm going to dab this on to the lid and blend. A lot of brides have gold either in their jewelry or in their outfits, so this is something that could work for every bride. I'm going to use a BOBBI brown gel eyeliner, and I'm using this with an angular brush because that's very easy to do a liner on yourself. So we draw this out. Now I take the Huda Beauty palette back again. There's a color called Black Truffle in here. I'm going to take this black color eyeshadow and I'm going to blend the gel eyeliner that I had used earlier. So I take a pencil brush which looks like that, which has a bit of a pointed tip, and I'm going to smudge this. So if you look at this, this is really intense black smoke. The same gel eyeliner in the waterline. Makes it look so Indian, so classic. Now very important to use a waterproof mascara. So I'm using this Dior waterproof mascara. We move to the cheeks. I'm using a color called Copper Tone to contour the cheeks. Now a very simple way is to just suck your cheeks in. You see this, that's the guideline. So I'm using a cream blush and we're going to blend the contour color with the cream blush. So just smile a bit. If you want to, you can go over the cream blush with a powder blush very gently. So I'm using this blush called Orgasm from NARS on the cheeks. This is a cream highlighter, so I'm going to use this with my fingers first, and I'm going to go over this with my powder highlighter. Now I'm going to line the lips with this MAC lip pencil called Press Blooms. Now I have a MAC Peachy stain with me, which looks beautiful, so I'm going to just add a hint of color. finally ready with our bridal look. I hope you like it.